aforementioned Ching-Sen Ko will come to the plate. This is the matchup that our new Taiwanese media friends are all waiting for. There's about 5 or 6 of them out here tonight. And they got some Taiwan on Taiwan matchup going right here. Pitch on the way. Ko sends it foul back here to the screen. It's different than just, American media covering American U.S. soil-born ball player. Really, really neat to see. 1-1 on the way, swing and a miss by Ko, and it's 1-2. And that they'd see this matchup right here. 1-2 on the way, grounded routinely to the right side, backhanded by Santana. Huang over there to cover the bag in front of Ko. Flipped it behind his back to start the around the horn, and nearly got his fellow countryman as they exchange. Pitch on the way to left-handed hitting Ching-Sen Flex League to continue the theme. There's a swing, misses. He chased a bad one down and away. A break. He's 18. The 0-2 on the way. Ko with a ground ball towards the hole and through on the right side. A base hit. Harlan looked like he got a bad read there as he went into second base without the intention of glove, the oven mitt, if you will. Here's a pickoff move back to second base. It drills Harlan, and everybody going to move up. So Huang, that was actually a really good pickoff move. Sans the fact that the throw was so good that he hit the base runner. I went and I showed him. I said, my guy, Red Twins. There's a line drive into left field for a base hit. Scoring is Harlan. Ko will be held at third. Myro Shendrick Martinez with an RBI. 7 runs batted in overall. The 1-1 on the way. Swung on and a ground ball hit to short. This will get the run home. It may be a double play, except for the fact that Vicelli just threw it in the dirt. If he fields that cleanly, the likelihood he's got enough on it to fire across the diamond would be a bit questionable. So Harlan will be given a base knock. Infield hit. 2 on, 2 away for Ching-Sen Ko, who singled and scored back in the 5th inning. Pitch coming home. Fastball low for more here in the 6th. The pitch. This is outside of Chambers. He's going to be the first man out of the pen tonight. I believe he'll start the 7th. Pitches for Paddock through 6 no-hit innings. Pitch coming is in the dirt for ball 4. So a 4-pitch walk, and after 2 up, 2-0 coming home to Myro. Swung on and jacked down the left field line. This will score at least a couple. In to score from third is Munoz. Harlan right behind him. Ko gonna blow through what I thought was a stop sign, but it won't matter as Needham fumbles the throw in from left. Here comes Ko. Ching-Sen Ko has grounded to first, singled and scored, walked and scored. Officially 1 for 2 tonight. Two on, 1 away, 2 runs home to make it 8-0. Pitch to Ko. That is number 40, Braden Quinn. 2 for 5 is Ko thus far with 2 walks. 3-0. Down and in ball 4, and the bases are loaded. And Braden Quinn cannot get loose fast. And it on the road in Stockton back in May. Pitch on the way to Myro. Fly ball deep into right field. Benoit going back. It's playable near the warning track. Front 2 runners will advance. Scoring from third without a hit in the 8th. Runner from first goes. 3-2 is inside ball 4. And this long 7th inning will continue. Rancho has just poured it on here in the last couple of innings. There's a ground ball hit to the right side. That is past the diving first baseman Santana. 2 runs are in to score. Throw goes into third. Victor is out. Home with the 2-0. Dix with a fly ball sliced down the left field line. It is a fair ball. And so much for the 1-hit shutout. Ko over there to give it his all. But that was well. Back at it here tonight. 2-2 on the way, lined in the left center field. What about a 3-hit shutout? Back-to-back hits to open the 9th inning. See, this is why